Looking to improve your business? Uber Eats packages actionable data to help you do just that. It all lives right inside Restaurant Manager. View your overall performance at a glance or click into categories. You can also see what your customers are saying, explore their reviews to see what's popular, review sales, order volume, or ticket size, and where you can improve based on each item. You can even see the order any piece of feedback is associated with and compare it to your past performance. Looks like you're having a great week. If you see a dip in orders on a typically busy day, you can pinpoint when these occurred down to the minute, with stats like downtime and missed orders. Restaurant Manager has a wealth of data you can use to improve over time. To better understand your business, adapt, and thrive.